Census Sunday.
The Irish Census returns for 1901 and 1911 are freely available to view on the National Archives of Ireland website. These records give us an idea of what life was like in early 20th century Ireland and are an invaluable resource for Irish family history research. Have you ever searched for ancestors in the census and have not been able to find them? One possibility could be that your relative was in an institution such as a workhouse, prison, or hospital. The census information for inmates and residents of these institutions usually only had their initials recorded. Try inserting the initials of who you're looking for into the search field, along with any other information you have about them, such as age, religious denomination, and location. You may get a result which looks right, but how do you know if that person is the one that you're looking for? This is where a visit to PRONI could answer all your questions. PRONI holds a number of records from institutions such as workhouses, prisons and hospitals, with registers of inmates and residents at the time the census was taken. By searching the PRONI e-catalogue, you can find a reference for the register and order it out on your next visit to the archive. As you can see from these books, there are lists of names which should correspond with the entries listed as initials on the census. Important points to note are that PRONI will only hold the records of institutions that were based in modern-day Northern Ireland, and that the 1901 census took place on the night of the 31st of March 1901, and the 1911 census took place on the 2nd of April 1911.